Picture your central nervous system as the hottest nightclub in town, a buzzing command center where your brain is the DJ, nerves are the VIPs, and every message is a guest trying to get in. But every club needs a bouncer. Meet M1R, the tough guy at the door, deciding which signals get in and which are left out, all to keep things running smoothly. But sometimes the bouncer gets overzealous, blocking the repair crew from fixing the club's wiring. That's multiple sclerosis, or MS. Your body wants to repair itself, but the security system gets in the way. The result? Signals can't get through, repairs don't happen, and the club, your nervous system, starts to fall apart. But tonight, there's a new sheriff in town. Enter Pipe 307, the secret agent drug. Instead of fighting the bouncer, it distracts him, letting the repair crew slip in and do their job. It's a clever heist, one that could change everything for people with MS, opening the door to real healing and recovery. Now that's a party worth crashing. So, what is MS? It's when your immune system attacks your own nerves, stripping away the myelin, the insulation on your body's wiring. Without myelin, nerve signals slow down or stop, causing symptoms like fatigue, numbness, and vision problems. The real tragedy? Your body knows there's damage and wants to fix it. But in MS, the repair crew gets stuck, ready to work but blocked from doing anything. It's like firefighters at a burning building, hose in hand, but refusing to turn on the water. The potential for repair is there, but it's trapped in gridlock. And that's where our bouncer comes back into play. Meet Ollie and the gang. They're not your average street gang, though. They're a specialized team, crucial for the health and maintenance of your nervous system. The repair crew, also known as oligodendrocyte precursor cells, the unsung heroes constantly patrolling your neural pathways, or OPCs for short. A simpler name for a complex and vital function. Their primary job? Transform into myelin makers, the insulation specialists of the nervous system, and patch up damaged nerves, ensuring signals travel smoothly and efficiently throughout your body. When MS strikes, they rush to the scene, like a highly trained emergency response team, toolbox in hand, ready to work, equipped with everything they need to restore order. But standing in their way, a formidable obstacle prevents them from fulfilling their mission. Is the M1R bouncer a gatekeeper with a strict and detrimental policy, a receptor that tells them, a signal that dictates their fate? Stop, don't mature, don't repair. A devastating command that halts their progress. So, Ollie and the gang are stuck in limbo, caught in a frustrating state of inaction. Trainees who never get to do, apprentices yearning to put their skills to use. The job they're built for. Their potential remains untapped, their purpose unfulfilled. The result? Permanent nerve damage, a consequence of this blocked potential. Not because the body can't fix it, not due to a lack of resources or ability, but because it's blocking itself. An internal mechanism is hindering the natural healing process. It's self-sabotage at its finest. The body possesses the tools, but an internal block prevents their use. The system is ready to heal, the equipment is prepped, the team is eager, but the bouncer won't let it happen. Access is denied, progress is halted. That's the real villain in MS, not a foreign invader, but an internal obstacle. But what if we could get the bouncer out of the way? What if we could unlock the body's natural healing potential? Let's meet Pipe 307, the enigmatic secret agent at the heart of our story. A master of disguise and deception, Pipe 307 is known for their unorthodox methods and unwavering dedication to the mission. Instead of engaging in a direct confrontation with the imposing bouncer, which would surely raise alarms, Pipe 307 cleverly distracts him, subtly blocking the crucial stop signal that would halt their progress. This is a delicate dance of misdirection and timing. Suddenly, as if by magic, Ollie and the gang receive the green light, a signal of opportunity amidst the chaos. This allows the body's natural processes to mature and diligently repair the damaged nerves, paving the way for recovery. The vital myelin sheath, the protective insulation around the nerves, gets meticulously rebuilt, layer by layer. Electrical signals, the lifeblood of the nervous system, begin to flow freely again, restoring communication pathways. And just like that, the club's intricate wiring, representing the complex neural network, is carefully restored to its former glory. Pipe 307 is incredibly precise, a marksman of molecular medicine. It skillfully targets only the M1R bouncer, the specific receptor responsible for blocking the repair process. This ensures a highly selective treatment, minimizing any potential impact on other parts of the body, leaving the rest of the system undisturbed and alone. That's absolutely crucial, because you always want a drug that elegantly solves one specific problem, without inadvertently causing 10 more unforeseen and potentially harmful side effects. By focusing its efforts solely on the repair crew's bouncer, the specific obstacle hindering progress, Pipe 307 could effectively promote healing and regeneration at the source of the problem. This ensures a safe and targeted treatment, with minimal risk of adverse reactions or unwanted side effects. It's an incredibly clever and highly targeted approach, a testament to innovative thinking. This offers a potential solution to a problem that stubbornly stumped scientists and researchers for decades. The heist is officially on, the mission is underway, and now, for the very first time in a long time, the dedicated repair crew might actually have a chance to get inside and begin their crucial work. But the ultimate question remains: will this ingenious plan actually work when put to the test in the real world? Here's where things get real, the clinical trial phase. Pipe 307 passed early safety tests, but now it's being tested in people with MS. The big question: will it actually help repair myelin in real patients? Early results are promising. Imaging shows signs of new myelin forming. That's a huge breakthrough, but it's still early days. Science moves slowly, and we need more data before celebrating. We've seen drugs look great at first, only to disappoint later. Still, this is the most hope we've had in years for real repair in MS. So we watch, we wait, and we hope the spy pulls off the heist. If it works, it could change everything for people with MS. But for now, cautious optimism is the name of the game. So where does that leave us? With real hope for the future of MS treatment? Pipe 307 isn't just about stopping damage, it's about repairing what's lost. That's a game changer, and it's happening right now. If you want more science stories broken down without the jargon, hit subscribe and like. Next time we'll dive into the wild world of xenotransplantation. Yes, pig organs in people. What could go wrong? Tune in to find out. Thanks for watching and stay curious. See you next time.